Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it for the boys? Round of applause, please. These motherfuckers got my back. The world wants my blood.
Okay, they're recording stuff up.
Yeah, what up, my brothers? Finally got your first track. I figured you're worth that. Cause if I step back to the hard times, you know, when all the rest gap, you back me. I won't forget that. Over the years, through the scraps, heartbreaks and dabs, come the bros from the less than that. Best left at facts. You need someone to get your back. It's one phone call and 10 minutes flat. Understand the love, no friendship, it's family, bros. And we fight like a family does. But I am who I am because of the way that we got it done. So I hold no regrets, not one. From young, crazed and drunk to still young, crazed and drunk. New Year's Eve to the few tears we both overcome to get here. It's all love, it ain't blood, but it's close to some. All my chosen ones, come on.
Ready?
Whatever may come my way, I don't care. I'ma be right here with my homies, man. With the beer and the light, cause I ride for my homies, man. That's my chosen family, wouldn't be the same without you. So until we're through, my dudes, I'll do whatever the deal. It's the least I can do, man, for real, it wouldn't be the same without your homie, bet on that. Anything from a hand to the shirt.